Hello everyone. So today we're trying to solve the top k frequent elements problem. So what does the problem say? It states given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the k most frequent elements. Okay, so let's walk through one of the examples. So we have given this array of nums 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, and k is equal to 2. So it's kind of confusing, I know, but let's try to understand it. So it the problem asks us to repeat the most frequent elements. So in this case, one is repeated three times, two is two times, and so that is the order. Like one is three, has been repeated one time, sorry, two times, and three is only one time. So we need to find k is given two, so we need to find because one and two are repeated most frequently, and these are the like in the list if we kind of sort them. So the number two, so one and two are most repeated elements, so we are just returning 1 and 2 in this array, right? So let's try to go through one of the on the notebook and try to build an intuition behind this. So let's take on a big example, right? 1 1 2 3 3 3 4 4. Okay, let's take 4 4 and 5 5, right? And k equal to 3 in this example. So what does the problem wants us to solve? It wants us to see which are the most repeated characters, k k most. So let's see, 3 has been repeated 3 times, 2 is only one time, so this is 2 times, this is 2 times, this is 2 times. So because k is 3, first number 3, because it has been repeated most time, we have to return 3. Now we can see which the like, so 1 is 2 times, 4 is 2 times, and 5 is 2 times. So we can pick any two elements from these three. We can pick any two elements. We can either return 3 4 and 5, or 3 1 5, or 1 4. So any of one of them is the right answer. So now let's try to see how we can solve it. So what we can do, let's say we can store a counter. We can count the number of elements in this array. So let's see, 1 has been 2 times, 2 is 1 time, 3 is 3 times, 4 is 2 times, 5 is 2 times, right? So this has been stored. Now what we can do, we can uh, we can try to build, or we can just make a kind of an array, or array of tuples like this. So one has been, let's just build from this counter an array: 2 1 3 3 4 2 and 5 2, right? So with just what we have done from this dictionary, we built an another array with the combination of the element and the frequency. Now what we can do, we can just sort these sort this array according to the number of times they have repeat. So according to the second element. So after sorting, how they will look like this: 3 3. And now, and also we are doing the sorting in reverse, right? You have to figure out like how to do sorting in reverse, but I'm just providing you a intuition about on how to solve this problem. 3 3, and now let's take 5 4 2. Maybe the sorting returns elements in this order: 1 2 and 2 1. Now we have found, you see, now we have the most frequent elements in our front. And if we want k most frequent elements, we just have to run the loop till k, and we just have to get the values of the first element of each tuple, right? So we will just run a loop, for loop, for I to k, and add, this is our uh, I of 0 to our result, and that will give us our solution. So that's how we can solve it. So you can see this is going to be order of n, this is going to be order of n, and sorting is going to cost us order of n log n, and this is also going to be, this is going to be order of k. So the complexity of this problem is going to be order log n, and the space is going to take twice order of 2n. So that's how we can solve it. If you come up with a better solution, please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to look into it and improve my knowledge. Thank you.